Alright, today we're going to take a look at another nice little Zippo, and partial sponsorship is from a nice little red table wine. This is the French Lick Red. This is the actual name of the wine, French Lick. It is a sweet red table wine, good over ice. That's Coco, the model there. And French Lick wine is produced in, let's see, West Baden, Indiana, or West Baden Springs, Indiana, which is about 50 miles south of Bloomington, Indiana. And French Lick, Indiana is also right there, right about where West Baden Springs is. That's where the winery is. And it is a corked bottle, so it's got to be good. That's what somebody told me a long time ago. So let's take a look at this Zippo. Oh, one more thing about French Lick wine. It's really sweet. It kind of reminds me of a heavy Hawaiian punch, and it is not carbonated. So let's take a look at this Zippo. Came in the normal Zippo black box. And it is labeled as Retro Zippo Design. It's got the idiotic P65 warning. It's made in Bradford, PA, and it is a genuine Zippo made in the USA. So here is it's the normal insert. Here is the retro design. Now this design was heavily influenced by the 1950s. The atomic art age, when the Cold War was at its peak, when atomic bombs could have been dropping from the sky at any time, kind of like today. So this is a really nice deep blue. It's almost green, but this side is high polished, and that side has the design on it. And you can see the Zippo right there. And this was made in D of 21, or April. Good stampings on this thing. And one of the things about the atomic art age, it influenced quite a few things. Cartoons like the Jetsons. And if you notice that design right there, if you look at the Star Trek command insignia, it's the same shape, basically the same shape, and not only that, it's got that starburst in the center, almost centered. That is the Star Trek command insignia. Very similar. I'm not going to say it was stolen, but it's very similar. This one's got the steel insert. Got a real good sound. It lights up nice. Let's do a drop test on this retro designed Zippo. Successfully dropped. It's a real nice design. Especially the case that's got that high polish, really deep blue, kind of a blue-green. That is a Zippo made in the USA, and that is a wine made in the USA, and that is a Hawaiian punch made in the USA. And they all deserve a little cowbell. Knucklebomb.